In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and sell products on your Wix website with Wix stores. By the end, you'll have a clean store setup and a product, digital or physical, ready for customers to buy. We'll install Wix stores, tidy up any sample items, create your product with images, pricing, and a clear description, and then display it on your site so it's easy to find and purchase. Start in the Wix editor. Click Add the plus icon, then choose Elements and open the search bar. Type Store. In the results, scroll to Apps for your site and select Wix Stores. Click Wix Stores, then Add to Site and confirm the installation. It's free to install. Give it a moment to load and you'll see the Wix Stores panel appear in your editor so you can manage products and settings from one place. If you see template products, you can remove them to keep things organized. In the Wix Stores panel, open Manage Products. Select all the default sample items. Click More Actions, then Delete, and Confirm. This optional cleanup ensures your storefront shows only what you intend to sell, making it easier to track inventory and avoid confusion later. Now add your own product. Click New Product. Choose the product type. Pick physical for items you ship or digital file for downloadable content like an ebook, guide, or cookbook. Enter a clear product title, something specific and benefit focused so customers instantly understand what they're getting. If you chose a digital product, click Upload File and select your document, PDF, DAHA, or another supported format. Write a helpful description that explains what the customer receives and how it helps them. Upload a product image or a short video to showcase the item. A clean, high-resolution cover image works well for digital files. Set your pricing by entering the price, for example, 500 THB toggle sale, on if you want to show a discounted price. For digital products, leave cost of goods at 0 since there's no per unit production cost. If you like, add a ribbon label such as new arrival or digital download to catch attention, then click Save. To display the product on your site, click the background of your shop or store section. Choose Quick Edit, then Layout, then Add section, and select a product display layout that fits your design. Use Quick Edit to update the background so it matches your theme and replace any placeholder images with your actual product image. When everything looks right, publish your site so visitors can browse and buy. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to add and sell products on your Wix website.